Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to send a PDF form from your laptop to your phone. Whether you need quick access to documents or want to share files easily, this tutorial will help you. On your desktop or computer, if you want to send a PDF to your phone, there are several options. One option is to send it via Facebook. Find the person you want to send the file to, then click on Messenger. From there, click Attach a file and attach the PDF. As you can see, it is a PDF file. Click Send, and the file can be opened on your laptop or phone. Another option is to use Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, upload the file using the File Upload option, then select the PDF file. Once it is uploaded, right-click the PDF and click Share. Click Share again, then change the setting from Restricted to Anyone with the link and click Done. From here, right-click the file again, click Share, and copy the link. Then send this link to the person so they can open it on their phone. We can also send the PDF via email, so it can be opened and edited on a mobile phone. These are simple ways to transfer PDF files from your laptop to your phone, using methods like email, cloud storage, or messaging apps. Now we know how to send a PDF from your laptop to your phone.